Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well to click on the subscribe button, like and share. Also follow us on Telegram. You'll find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section because I'll be putting out one or two information for you guys there. Now, when you take a look at this GBP USD, we can see this movement. I think around that October, ending of October, we can see that GBP USD has literally been giving us that upward movement. Though in the month of January, be expecting a fall. A fall is coming on GBP USD, a massive fall, by the way. Have it in mind that the massive fall will come in the month of January. But for right now, market is still trending upward. So we should expect it to do like that. Because if you take a look at this movement, you see something like this. Market is literally ranging within this level. This is the resistance level, and you can see it to be the support level. So literally, if you can see it, this was, markets once range above this level, which serve as a double top. If you see it, it gave us a double top, then it eventually broke in, came to this support level, then we had a movement to this our resistance, then we had a drop to this our support, markets came again to this our resistance. So with what we are seeing, market is likely to come down to this our support level before it pushes up. Whatever way it does, one thing I know is that there will not be much movement this week, because you all know on Monday is holiday, bank holiday. A lot of banks will close, so do not expect much movement on Monday. Same thing on Tuesday. There will be rarely movement. There will not be much movement on Tuesday. See, probably Wednesday, and I don't expect much movement this week. We all know the because of the Christmas and New Year. Probably from next week there will be a good movement on GBP USD. We'll be able to forecast it. But right now, this week, I don't expect much movement. But whatever market wants to do, if markets give us some more push up, then no problem. We can continue with the movement to the upside. And if it does not do that and it drop and it's continuing dropping, then we might likely see it drop to this our support level. So watch out for what markets will do this week on GBP USD.